Your organization uses an Azure subscription tied to a Microsoft Entra ID tenant. You are deploying two applications, App1 and App2, to a fleet of 100 virtual machines. Users will authenticate to these apps using their organizational credentials. App1 requires access to read the signed-in user's calendar, while App2 requires access to write to the signed-in user's calendar. You must propose an authentication and authorization framework that follows the principle of least privilege and reduces management overhead. Match the components to the requirements.
The options are: Option A, Application Registration in Microsoft Entra ID. Option B, System Assigned Managed Identity. Option C, User Assigned Managed Identity. Option D, Application Permissions. Option E, Azure Role-Based Access Control, Azure RBAC. Option F, Delegated Permissions. The correct matches are: Authentication maps to Application Registration in Microsoft Entra ID, and Authorization maps to Delegated Permissions. In my view, the correct answers are Application Registration in Microsoft Entra ID for authentication and Delegated Permissions for authorization. To enable users to sign in to App1 and App2 using their Microsoft Entra ID credentials, an application registration must be created in the tenant, which facilitates the OAuth2 and OpenID Connect flows.
Since the applications need to access the calendar data on behalf of the signed-in user, delegated permissions are the correct choice. Delegated permissions require the user to consent to the scope requested, such as reading or writing calendars, adhering to the principle of least privilege.
Managed identities are designed for machine-to-resource authentication, not for handling user interactive sign-ins. Azure RBAC is used for controlling access to Azure resources, like virtual machines or storage accounts, not for managing data within a user's calendar.